Hello, my name is Evan Williams, and my topic is Le chatelier. Le chatelier is also known as the principle of equilibrium. However, this principle involves chemical reactions. Le chatelier's principle basically states that if a system at equilibrium is exposed to a stress, the system will shift in order to relieve that stress. There were two men who independently discovered this idea. Their names were Henry Louis Le Chatelier and Carl Ferdinand Braun. Obviously, the idea was named after Henry Louis Le Chatelier. As an example, I will use the reaction of molecule A in dynamic equilibrium with molecule B. So if I add more A to this reaction, it will obviously be unbalanced. In order to restore it, the forward reaction will speed up and use the additional reactants and turn them into products. This means that the equilibrium shifted right. If it was another reaction, such as if it was molecule A and B in dynamic equilibrium with molecule C and D, and I added more A's to the equation, the A's would be bumping into the B's and then consuming them, therefore decreasing the amount of B's that are in the reaction. Then the reactants would be turned into products, and then C, D would be increased, and then the equilibrium will be restored. Clearly, the principle shows that when more reactant is added, the system shifts to the right and to the side of the product. However, if more product is added, it will shift left and produce more reactants. These reactions involve the concentration of molecules. This principle not only involves concentration, but it also involves heat and pressure. If there is a reaction of molecules A and B in heat in dynamic equilibrium with molecules C, D, and E, and I added more heat to the reaction, then molecules A and B will be decreased and slightly consumed. This will cause a forward reaction, and then it will use the products from this use the reactants from this to turn into products. And then the reaction will be balanced out. Another stress that could disturb equilibrium is pressure. When pressure is added, the stress can be relieved if there are less molecules. This will cause fewer things to be bouncing against each other, and the pressure will be affecting less molecules. In conclusion, three stressors that can affect equilibrium are concentration, heat, and pressure. However, this principle proves that reversible reactions are self-correcting or balance themselves. That is my presentation on Le Chatelier's principle. Thank you.